One thing you can always count on with Donald Trump is he is eventually going to come along and make all of his legal problems worse. And that is currently what is happening in the state of New York with the ongoing lawsuit filed by Attorney General Letitia James against Trump and his kids for $250 million. So what's happened now is that Letitia James is asking the court to please intervene because it appears that Donald Trump has lied under oath. And the reason her team believes that is because in a lawsuit brought by protesters against Donald Trump for his security roughing them up outside of Trump Tower many years ago, Trump proudly proclaimed that while he was president of the United States, he wasn't exactly the president of the Trump Organization. He was what he called, in the deposition, a, quote, inactive president, but president nonetheless. In the legal filing that he made last week, along with his lawyers, he argued in front of Judge Arthur Engoron overseeing the lawsuit that while he was president of the United States, he was not in any way president of the Trump Organization. Had nothing to do with it. He was not a part of it. So as you can clearly see, those two statements cannot coexist. Both of these, the deposition where he said he was the inactive president and the filing where he said he wasn't president at all, those are both legal statements made under penalty of perjury. So he's lying in one of them. We just don't know which one. Was he the inactive president, or was he not involved in the company whatsoever? And that, of course, is what James and her team are asking the judge, like, listen, you've got to do something about this. You've got to do something about the fact that they just submitted a filing last week, the same one where Trump says he wasn't president, where they said that the Trump Organization doesn't even exist. It's not a real company, they said. So they are begging the judge now, can you please just shut this crap down? Let us move forward with the lawsuit. Please stop entertaining all of their attempts to get this thing thrown out. This is getting ridiculous. Oh, and yeah, by the way, he may have committed perjury in front of you, so that's probably also a thing you're going to want to look at here. The filing, by the way, where they swore like the Trump Organization doesn't even exist. What's funny about that is that Alina Habba, Trump's own lawyer, actually already negated that a couple months ago when she showed up in court and she said, Alina Habba for the Trump Organization. James also pointed that out in the request to the judge that, hey, listen, the very woman who says that the organization doesn't exist already went into court and said she is literally representing this organization that she now says doesn't exist. None of it makes sense. None of it makes any legal sense. And the judge at this point truly does need to step in, put an end to these idiotic filings, do something about the potential perjury, and let the case move forward to a proper resolution in front of a jury. That is what is fair. And that, of course, is why Donald Trump doesn't want that to happen, because he knows if he gets what's fair, it's probably not going to work out in his favor. This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.